Hello, and welcome to our in-depth lesson on what are the first things to learn in English. When starting to learn a new language, it can be overwhelming to know where to begin. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. The first step in learning English is to familiarize yourself with the alphabet. English begins with the letter A and continues through Z, with a total of 26 letters. This is the foundation of the language, and it is essential to learn the alphabet before moving on to more complex concepts. One of the best ways to practice the alphabet is by singing the ABC song. This is a simple and easy way to learn the letters and their corresponding sounds. Once you are familiar with the alphabet, you can begin to learn basic words and phrases. The next step is to learn the ABCs and 123s. This means learning basic vocabulary such as numbers, colors, and everyday objects. This is essential to understand when speaking or reading in English. After mastering the basics, you can move on to more complex grammar and sentence structure. This is where you will learn how to put words together to form sentences, as well as how to use verb tenses and pronouns. It's important to remember that learning a language takes time and practice. It's not something that can be mastered overnight. But by starting with the basics, such as the alphabet and basic vocabulary, you will lay the foundation for a strong understanding of the language. In addition to practicing speaking, listening, reading, and writing, it's essential to practice with a native speaker or with a teacher. They can provide you with feedback and guidance as you learn, and can help you to understand the nuances of the language that you may not be able to pick up on your own. In conclusion, the first things to learn in English are the alphabet, basic vocabulary, and numbers. These are the foundation of the language and will help you to understand the basics of grammar and sentence structure. Remember to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing it, and to get feedback from a native speaker or teacher. With time and practice, you will be able to master the English language and communicate effectively.